morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're okay, we have unboxing today. This package arrived from ArtDear. I do have a link with discount code for this store, so check it out under my video and you can save some money. Any money to save, it's good already, right? So let's see what we have in here. I already opened from the regular packaging, like a gray bag, and they usually, if it's a more than one, then always kind of put those strings to keep them together. And it looks like it's a little bit different boxes, or they just then glue, I don't know. Looks like it's gonna open in from here. Oh, I think it's just unglue. Yeah, the glue separated. That's what happened. So let's see what I have in here, because I don't really remember. So we're going to be like surprised together. Okay, let's check it out. Yes, ArtDear, that's their logo. And here is the size, 50 by 50 centimeters. And this means we have a square diamonds. Do we have any special diamonds? We will find out in a minute. Okay, so that's a bouquet of, I didn't have for a while this kind of designs. I used to order a lot, especially like sunflowers in a vases, bouquet roses, whatever. So I thought this one is very pretty, and I really like in here this blue flowers actually. I'm not sure if looking in a picture, no, kind of in a picture I can recognize what kind of flower that is. Have to check, go on a website to look. But here it is. Canvases are really good quality canvases. I like it. It is a velvet canvas. Glue usually very strong. You can see in here have nicely like thick layer. You can see like a gloss. Diamonds sticking very nice to it. And you know, I've been working on these designs already. I think we finished one. Isn't the one was from ArtDear, the vase and flowers we finished? That was the same. Oh, so I did a bouquet in a vase not long ago. So anyway, this one is screaming to me kind of like a back home because of the sunflowers, and just make me feel warm. This design make me warm. We have in here how many colors. Hold on, let me check this picture probably. Oh, there's a set tools in here. Okay, so now they put in here this smaller tray, which is better. The other one was not enough grids, the bigger tray, and diamonds wouldn't be sticking into the grids. So this one is a smaller one, but you can see that it's a sharper line on the inside to hold your diamonds. Okay, this is just a came out piece from the tweezers. Tweezers in here, the kind of cheap version that I don't really use them at all. Usually I just toss them away. And then we have in here 3 placer and 1 placer and just a chunk of wax. Alright, so the second design probably will have exactly the same toolkit, so we're not going to open. Okay, so let's see diamonds. I want to see if there's something special in here. I think we do have a... Okay, so AB diamonds in here will be. Let's see if this paper will show you better original painting. It is beautiful, right? Oh, there's a daisy up there. It's my burst flowers. So maybe that's what I like, because all those wild flowers that I like. Okay, so what we have in here in colors. 44 colors, and okay, we have a different specialty diamonds in here. We have in here AB diamonds, and looks like could be fairy dust diamonds in a mix, but in here it's not sure. Oh, it is. XC or something. Okay, so we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 special diamonds. Okay, let's see. Let's see the specialty. Usually it's not that. So, okay, so this one is fairy dust. Fairy dust. Okay, this is, I don't really understand the. Yeah, like the fairy dust, for example, this one, it's a 2 colors almost identical, a little bit darker. It doesn't make a sense to me to do in the same colors palette, especially so close to each other. But this one is a fairy dust. Is this one fairy dust? No, it's not. Okay, then we have in here AB diamonds. AB diamonds. Here is 3 colors. It will be nice and shiny. This one definitely will go on sunflowers probably. Pretty. Oh, here is fairy dust in $37.99. This one is a fairy dust diamonds gray kinda, so they also are in the gray family. And then we have another AB. And that's make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 more colors. 2 more colors should be specialty in here. I don't know if that's this one. Is this one special? Let me see close to camera. No, this one looks normal. Hold on. If fairy dust, sometimes it's difficult to see because they very look like normal diamonds. It's just you have to find that shimmer on the top, and I don't think I can see it right now. This one? No. It starts from 37 kinda, so I have no idea which one, to be honest. I don't know. Fairy dust, it's hard to recognize till you start placing them, put them on a tray, then you know, unless you see the number. But in here all the diamonds flip kind of numbers upside down. Anyway, you will have with this kit diamonds in AB and fairy dust. I really don't see it. Okay, I will find them later, but it is beautiful design. I like it. It's nothing special. It's just regular art that could be placed in anybody's bedroom. Not the bedroom, sorry, like a living room, dining room, whatever. It's just pretty flowers. Okay, so this was number 1. Now let me pull out canvas number 2 and see what's in here. I really recommend you go and check it out. There's so many beautiful designs up there that definitely you will find something that you like. For some reason this boxes doesn't feel like it's. Oh, okay. Oh, I love this one. You're going to love this one. I think you will. Let's check it out. Remember, just in my not long ago video, I think last week, I was talking about stainless glass kind of design, and here it is. Here is in diamond painting. Look how pretty. It's already beautiful even before diamonds. Look at that. And that's why I'm saying this kind of design very interesting. I like to see people like in cross stitch when they go after extreme cross-country stitching, but like for example to outline all this in black, and it's really kind of easy to do with diamond painting as well, just to get like for example black color first. I like when people do this, and diamond painting could be done like that as well. Very beautiful design, beautifully printed, you can see that. We have size in here 45 by 60 square, and we have 45 colors, and we do have a special, this one with the fairy dust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors in fairy dust. Toolkit, yes, exactly same thing, so there's no reason to look. And let's check it out what kind of colors in here in fairy dust. Usually they all put them together, so I think so 41, what's the number starts for the specialty? 41. Okay, so definitely this is 41. Okay, I can see purple, pink, pink, I always flip and I kind of go numbers down. I need to look for the higher number to find. So how many colors I said? Hold on. In specialty, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to find one more color. Am I gonna have a problem to look again? Just a minute. I need the higher numbers. 44. Oh, this one. I'll stuck to that. Okay. Yeah. This is the one. Okay. So here is our fairy dust. Let's see them all more close. In blue. Look at the shine. Then we have this pink. Then we have, oh, this one is beautiful, juicy color. Look at that. My window open, you might will hear birds singing. It is early in the morning. And the big bag, it's actually looks like a double bag or two small bags in one. I don't know if there's a bag inside in here, but this one is just a dark one because it's a double bag. It's kind of hard to see color. What is it? Yeah, it's a 310, so it's a black diamonds with AB. Is it? Yeah, it's a AB. Not the AB, sorry, fairy dust. I don't know, can we see it? Doesn't want to focus because of the double bags. Anyway, so that's the colors. And look at this beautiful bright colors in here. Let me zoom out back. Okay, look at this. Lots of beautiful colors in here. Oh, lots of pinks. This is going to be so fun to work on. Those bright cherry colors, lots of pinks and reds. There's some lots of green, unique. Oh, look at the shading. Other green. Is this the same? No, it's not the same. It's different one. Yeah, very colorful. Very colorful. The design is beautiful. So okay, the first one have a 3 different kind of diamonds: regular, AB, and fairy dust. This one have a 2 kind of diamonds, regular and fairy dust diamonds. But what you think about design itself? Isn't it pretty? Sideways you will see a little bit more in full. It's beautiful. Also the velvet canvases, nice and soft. Feels really good when it's done, kind of like a nice and heavy with diamonds. But the print, it is very pretty print. Let me know if any of you order already this one. This is okay. So from this two, I say this one is my favorite. How about you? Let me know what you like most today from this unboxing. It's a short video. Now you have to go, you know, shopping maybe. Don't forget to use discount code to save some money. And happy diamond painting. If you're working already on some kind of project from ArtDear, let me know. Post your picture in Facebook group. Showcase your proud work, and we're going to comment on it. Well, thank you, my lovely friends. I will see you tomorrow with something new.